ये गलती से देखो लड़की लोग का लॉकर रूम का ये लेके आ गए. What is up guys, welcome to a brand new YouTube video. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. 7:30 in the morning, just came to the gym to get my workout done. Because of my work commitments and my work schedule, I'm not being able to come at night or in the evening. I'm not a loser like you, so obviously I won't be skipping my workouts. So that's why I decided to come early in the morning.
Sometimes you gotta let him go. I know it's hard, but you're better on your own. I know the scars got you feeling all alone. I know it's hard, but you gotta let him go. Say it with me, everything is
No phones today. Okay. Working out. मेरा फोन नीचे है. दोनों फोन. इतना टाइम से हर दिन जब भी जिम आता था सेट का बीच में आज तो डिस्कनेक्ट हो गए. बहुत लोगों को रिप्लाई करना है बट वर्कआउट के बाद करेंगे यार. 45 मिनट 60 मिनट्स लेट्स फकिंग किल इट. गलत इशारा हो रहा है.
but you gotta let him go. I know it's hard, but you're better on your own. Yeah, on your own. Yeah. All these feelings kept, I wanna be over it, but something deep inside makes me feel alone again. They were in my life, never got that closure yet. Push the pain aside, it's heavy when I'm sober, yeah. Turn my thoughts off, I'm over it. 2 shots too deep, I'm alone again. This ain't healthy, tears never help me, and that's why sometimes you gotta let them go. I know it's hard, but you're better on your own. I know the scars got you feeling all alone. I know it's hard, but you gotta let them go. Say it with me, everything is okay. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. But you gotta let them go. I know it's hard, but you're better on your own. Yeah, on your own. Yeah.
वेट्स लगाना उठाना गुड बट प्लीज री-रैक द वेट्स. मैं कोई जिम में तो ट्रेनर नहीं हूँ बट ऑल दीज गाइस अगर आप वेट नहीं उठाते इनको उठाना पड़ता है एंड ट्रस्ट मी नॉट एट ऑल गुड. टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. Can feel every single rep. So I see people when they're doing their upper chest, when they're doing a fly movement for their upper chest. I'm sure you make this mistake as well. You do this movement, नीचे से ऊपर खींच रहे हो. ये मूवमेंट में आपका अपर चेस्ट कभी कोई भी हालत में इन्वॉल्व नहीं होने वाला. It's always your front delt. I'll tell you the reason. A very logical explanation for this. So if you see the muscle fiber, the आपका जो अपर चेस्ट का जो क्लेविक्यूल है, इसका जो डायरेक्शन है ना, वो आपका कॉलर बोन से स्टार्ट होता है और आपका यहां पे मिलता है वो. ठीक है. ये जो मैं मूवमेंट कर रहा हूं इट इज इन अकॉर्डेंस विद द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द अपर चेस्ट क्लेविक्यूल. बट अब मैं अगर ये मूवमेंट कर रहा हूं, अपर चेस्ट का डायरेक्शन है ये, मैं मूवमेंट कर रहा हूं ये, तो अगर मैं ये मूवमेंट कर रहा हूं तो ऑब्वियसली आपका फ्रंट डेल्ट आएगा बिकॉज योर फ्रंट डेल्ट का डायरेक्शन है ये. सिंपल लॉजिक है. So I always wondered why people are doing this exercise, and when I tried this, मेरे को तो कभी अपर चेस्ट फील नहीं हुआ, हमेशा यहाँ पे फील होता था. थोड़ा बहुत yes, but majorly over here. And when I studied upon this, then I came to know And when I studied this and when I implied this in the real world, then I came to know that, okay, this thing is actually a waste of your time. And if you have to train your upper chest when it comes to flies, you always do this movement. So it's not like straight, but थोड़ा सा नीचे के तरफ है. It's in accordance to the muscle fiber that is जो है आपका, जो भी आपका muscle fiber का जो direction है. अगर आप Google में चेस्ट एनाटॉमी सर्च करोगे, आपको फोटो मिलेगा, आप वो मसल फाइबर का स्ट्रैंड देखना, आपको अपने आप समझ में आ जाएगा. एंड जो भी आप मसल ट्रेन करते हो, वो मसल का एक ही मूवमेंट होता है. वो मूवमेंट उसका स्ट्रैंड का डायरेक्शन पे डिपेंड करता है. तो जैसे अपर बैक है, मिड बैक है, ये सब का भी अपना अपना डायरेक्शन है. दैट्स द ओनली रीजन. आप अगर कमर पे खींचते हो तो लोअर बैक अफेक्ट होता है. अगर आप सेम मूवमेंट अपना थोड़ा चेस्ट के पास खींचोगे तो आपका मिड बैक एंगेज होगा. Just recently, I got invited to a podcast. Okay, I've been waiting to do a podcast for a very long time. So in that podcast, we were talking about physical health, mental health, and coaching and everything. This guy told me that the host, he told me, you can be as unfiltered and unscripted as you want. Obviously, I don't follow a script. That once the podcast comes out, I might get in trouble. Okay, I might get a lot of hate for it, but I don't care because it's all truth. And the people who get offended by the truth are the weaklings, who can't handle the truth, who can't take the truth. So I'll tell you a fact about life. If you want to offend a strong man, say him a lie. And if you want to offend a weak man, say him the truth. These two are the things which can offend men. I don't get offended by truth. If somebody comes along and tells me, Ketan, you're being a loser, you need to work harder, okay, I'll take that. I'm not offended by that, it's a fact. But if somebody comes and tells me a lie on my face, I'm offended by that. इतना अच्छा पंप आया था, रील शूट करने का चक्कर में पूरा पंप ही निकल गया बॉडी से. चट अभी जब निकलेंगे तुम देखो ये खाली. हम आजकल देख रहे हैं सब कोई इंस्टाग्राम को चेंजिंग रूम बना दिया है. गेट रेडी विथ मी, गेट रेडी विथ मी. और जो लोग ये सब कर रहे हैं ना, तुम रेडी होने का बाद भी लग रहे हो, तो बंद कर दो, मत करो. 1 scoop of whey protein and 1 scoop of creatine. The effects of creatine have started to show. 1-1.5 हफ्ता हो गया मेरे को creatine लेते हुए. My body feels a lot more fuller, looks a lot more fuller. I can feel the difference in my strength levels already. हालत देखो खाली रास्ता का, इतना आबादी हो गया है. तो साला सलमान खान जैसा आ गए. Alright guys, so workout is done and now it's time to get back to business and start making some money, because being rich is equally as important as being fit. So the fitness aspect is done. Now the remaining abhi 10 baj raha hai. Now the remaining maybe 12 hours, it's all work, and right now I have to reply to a lot of people as well. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys had fun and I hope you guys learned from this video something. So if you guys like this, do make sure to hit the like button, and ये जो लाल t-shirt जैसा नीचे एक तो लाल button होगा, do make sure to click it so that you're subscribed to my channel, so that you don't miss any other upcoming videos and vlogs like this, because let me tell you, I make the best vlogs in this entire world. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay motivated, stay hydrated, stay full of your nutrition, and don't give up on your dreams, because like I always say, if you give up on your dreams, it's all over, man. What is the whole point of living your life anyway? So have a great time, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye and take care.